Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another haul. Of course I had to do a haul because Nykaa's hot pink sale was going on. So I bought a few stuff, but it was not from Nykaa that I bought a lot of stuff. It was from a website, a company called The Earth Rhythm that I bought, and I am really proud of buying from that particular website just because first things first, it's made in India, completely made in India. Secondly, it's super eco-friendly. So that's why I'm really proud of buying something from a really good brand. And I urge everyone, I have like 300 subscribers and I want each one of you to support local brands. So you know what, I got this package literally a week back and I have not thrown this package. You can see. So the thing, you can see the packaging. What they have done is taken an A4 size sheet and stapled it. All paper packaging, okay? All paper. There was no bubble wrap at all, which made me so happy. Secondly, we switched to bamboo toothbrush because it's needed. If everyone switches to bamboo toothbrush, the companies first of all will be forced to make bamboo toothbrush. The big companies like Oral-B, Colgate. Okay. Secondly, it will reduce your carbon footprint. I bought these face cleansers. Like what you have to do is you have to dip them in water and you can wipe your makeup off, or you can clean your face also with this. And you know what? It's really squishy and nice. I think I've not used them because I wanted to keep them to show you all. Next up, I bought their lip tint. You know me, I'm a hoarder of lip tints. Like I have so many and I have kind of finished all of them in this lockdown because whenever you want to feel really good, you can just take a little bit of lip tint, dab it on your lips, dab it on your cheeks, and then you're like fresh, you're good to go. So that's what I did, and I'm telling you, I'm super impressed with this lip tint. First of all, the packaging, you can see this is recycled paper, okay, like you can tell. Secondly, look at this, it's a glass bottle. First of all, not plastic. This component is plastic, however it's alright. They can't do each and everything possible, but they have tried to reduce plastic as much as possible, and I'm really proud of it. And the component is really luxurious, heavy. It's really heavy, and this is how the tint looks, okay? This is how it looks. I mean, it looks beautiful on your lips as well. It is kind of moussey in texture, and I am going to be discussing this tint with all my tints again in one of my videos, which you guys seem to love, all my tints collection. So I'm going to do the same, okay? And in future also I might buy a few more colors. I bought a pinkish shade this time, okay, because I didn't have anything in pink. I had reds and maroons, so yeah, I just felt like buying. Next up, I bought a cleansing balm from them. This is the Earth Rhythm Cleansing Balm, rich in antioxidants and detoxifier. The matcha green tea variant, okay? It has no fragrance, first of all. No fragrance, which made me so proud of them, because first of all, which Indian company doesn't like to put fragrance to impress their customers, okay? But yeah, look at this. I have used only this much. I have used only once, and I have my thoughts about it. I will be doing a video on this, but let's appreciate the packaging again. Aluminium tin dabba, okay? So good. Even if you finish, you can store anything in this. It's so good. You know what, I really love this brand, and this retails only for 600, and trust me, you need this much amount to melt down your normal day makeup. Enough about the Earth Rhythm. Let's come to Nykaa haul. Of course, I bought a few stuff from them as well. So you might know that Good Vibe, I finished my plum toner, and I did not have any toner. My sister ordered toners from Good Vibes, which did not really work for me, and I completely switched to this Dermapeak toner. Okay, so this contains glycolic acid. Okay, so it kinda exfoliates your skin. It's a good toner. Till now I have not seen any breakouts or anything with my skin, but I will be doing an in-depth review on this particular toner. And yeah, I basically love the packaging though. It's so cool. Like it and the color. Then I went ahead and bought two stuff from NYX. NYX happens to be one of my favorite brands. I have no clue. They make bomb products at a very reasonable rate. So I bought this HD concealer from them. I got it for $373. Can you imagine $373 for a concealer? Okay, and it performs beautifully. Okay, it blends like a dream. It's so lightweight that you won't even feel that you're wearing a concealer. Okay, only bad thing in India, they have not introduced a lot of shades. This is the darkest shade. Can you believe this is the shade 06, which is the darkest shade? And I was like, what? Really? Because this is so light for me as well, you can see. After blending, it seems really good. So I genuinely love this concealer. From the time I've got this, I've not been using any other concealer. It's really lightweight. Love it. Then is this lip gloss, which is the NYX butter gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake. One good thing about this is the fragrance. It smells like a dessert and you want to eat it. Okay, it smells so good. It smells like a vanilla ice cream or a vanilla cookie. Oh, I want to eat it. Okay, so yeah, this is so good. I'm wearing it right now. You can see it looks so pretty and it's not chipped. You can see. Alright, so this is how it looks. It looks good on bare lips as well, as it has some kind of pigment to it. You can see. This is how it looks. Then I bought this K by Katrina kajal. It has no smudger or anything. The other ones I think have smudger. And oh my god, I freaking love this kajal. She has nailed it with the formula. Before this, my favorite was the Faces Canada kajal. It's so good. It's like so smooth, so buttery. It does not budge after it's done. It's jet black. Now I have this Smashbox Duo, the lip duo. Last time also in the Black Friday sale, they had the Malvika Satlani duo, which was Driver Seat and Stepping Up. Now they have this Shobita Tulipala. I just called her Shobita D because I did not know it was Tulipala. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. You get a decent amount of product in there. You don't need a lot because you won't be able to finish these only. So please grab it because they're really good. I love the shades as well. Gulabe might wash some people out, washes me out as well. That's all for my haul today. I love everything that I bought. I did not regret anything. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any kind of recommendation or any feedback.